GH for STEM Juniors Challenge. Mary NKRUMAH BAIDOO is from the western region of Ghana. Mary is a junior scientist at KETAN STMA JHS located in Takoradi. For her experiment, Mary will show us how to find the potential of hydrogen or pH of substances. She will conduct the science practical by using some palm wine, hydrochloric acid, water, caustic soda, salt, sodium hydroxide, some lemon, and the hibiscus flower. Now, this should be an interesting experiment. pH stands for potential of hydrogen. All substances have a required pH which tells us whether they are acidic, basic, or neutral. In this case, the acids will change color to red or pink. The base will change color to purple or yellow. No color change indicates that the substance is neutral.
I start by separating the petal from the flower.
The petals contain the pigment, which will be used as the indicator to observe the color change.
I will match the petal with methylated spirit and water.
This is done to extract the color juice from the flower.
Then I will seal it. This is my flower pH. I will pour the various substances into their containers. Caustic soda. I'm diluting it. Sodium hydroxide. After this, I will drop some of the filtrate into the substances.
Equal volume of the filtrate is used in all the test substances.
Hydrochloric acid. The color has changed to red because there is an amount of acid in it. Palm wine. The color has changed to pink. This tells us that it is an acid. Lemon juice. The color has changed to red. So this tells us that it is an acid. Water is neutral. Caustic soda. It is a base, but the color has changed from its original to purple. Sodium hydroxide. It is a base, because the color has changed from its original to yellow. So this is how to test the pH of all these substances.
The flower pH indicator can be used in any acidic and basic medium. For example, in the fish pond, the fisherman can decide to test the acidity of the pond by just dropping some of the solution into the water. My name is Gordon Chibeli, teacher at KETAN STMA JHS.
This is why the Food and Drugs Board tests the pH of substances we consume, like water. The pH of water must be within a certain range. It's time for JUNEOS Practical STEM Quiz. Is the change of the color dependent on the kind of indicator used? Instead of hibiscus, use the flowers in your community to check the difference in color between your experiment and that of Mary. Will the use of another indicator change the acid and the base to a different color? Yes or no? Mary was great at showing us the pH of a hibiscus flower. How about you? Can you try this experiment at home by yourself or with your friends from school? Make a video or take pictures of your experiment. Ask your teacher or your parents to help you post the results of your experiment on social media. Tag We Go Innovate so that you can win some fabulous prizes. Don't forget to add your name and the name of your school to your entry and hashtag GH4STEM. You can check out any of our experiments at www.wegoinnovate.org and please leave a comment. You can also follow us on social media at We Go Innovate or WhatsApp us on 055 406 6248. Good luck with your experiment. You can be a junior scientist too.